Make our way to beautiful Zion National Park, where the towering canyon walls rise majestically around you, inviting exploration. The beauty of this park lies not only in its stunning rock formations, but also in the trails that weave through its heart. Let us start the adventure by hopping on the shuttle bus. You can also consider tackling the exhilarating Angel's Landing hike, where the breathtaking views from the summit reward all your efforts. Alternatively, the trek through the Narrows offers a unique experience. Wading through the Virgin River, surrounded by towering cliffs. Each path reveals a new facet of Zion's natural splendor, reminding us of the power and artistry of the natural world.